Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to join the Temu affiliate program. Alright, let's begin. Joining the Temu affiliate program is a great way to start earning money online. So step 1 will be visit the Temu affiliate program and get $2 as a sign-up bonus. Step 2 will be fill in the registration form with your details. It'll consist of email and setting up your password. This process is quick and straightforward, so you don't need to worry about it. Step 3, after submitting the form, you'll receive a confirmation email. Make sure to check your inbox and click the link to verify your account. Step 4, once your account is verified, you can log into your affiliate dashboard and here, you'll find your unique referral link. Step 5, start sharing your referral link on social media, blogs, or directly with friends. As an affiliate, you'll earn 20% commissions on every sale made through your link and get $10 for every downloaded apps and order. So that's basically how you can join the Temu affiliate program. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.